In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly check your Lebara number, whether you're in the UK or Saudi Arabia. Finding your phone number is simple with these fast and easy steps. First, pick up your Lebara phone and open the dialer app. Dial *100 and press the call button. Your phone number should appear on the screen shortly. If *100 Ausbraus doesn't work, try dialing 121 and press call instead. Another quick method is to send a text message with the word NUM to 2222. You'll receive a reply with your phone number. You can also check your Lebara number by logging into your online account at lebara.co.uk for the UK or lebara.com.sa for Saudi Arabia. Once logged in, your phone number will be displayed in the account details or profile section. If you have your SIM card packaging, the phone number is often printed there too. That's all it takes. Now you can find your Lebara number fast whether you're in the UK or Saudi Arabia. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy mobile tutorials.